Look at the baby carts.
Some people who...
The baby carts, they were actually put here for children to play around. But then I guess they were used only for a few hours, just to distract the attention of people. And now they're abandoned. So this park, the whole amusement park, was just open for one day. Just the people should come here and so they don't get the more information about what has happened in the reactor. Look at this merry-go-round, the icon of the town of Pripyat.
It was never opened. It was built in 1986, and let's say grand opening of this facility for kids was supposed to be on the 1st of May. And of course that's why actually it never happened. But there is a rumor.
But for one day.
Yeah, there is a rumor that it was open just for a few hours on 27th of April, just to distract attention of people from everything what was going on around. But imagine, people theoretically they don't know about the accident. They walk around the streets, but on the next day after explosion, policemen, dosimeters, they already started wearing some protection suits. Some military vehicles were driving around. How to distract attention of people just using Ferris wheel and those pump cars.
Yeah.
But one more thing, Soviet Union. People normally were not asking too much questions.
More snake. It still works.
It's radiation, you know. It runs on cesium 137.
Yeah.
To be honest, it's spooky.
Spooky. This used to be a control room for the Ferris wing here.
And see that everything from inside, metal, even wires, everything was simply stolen.
Here now used to be a ticket office to buy the ticket for the Ferris wheel or the cars there. But now, of course, it is, you see there. Look at this. Not sure if I can go inside. Oh yeah, I have to be careful with this grass because this grass is highly contaminated. But look at this here. It was used to be the ticket office. Guys, imagine here, we are now in the football stadium, and all the way here, it was like a running track. The people used to run here. They used to play football here. And back to the football stadium, I guess.
Even in Pripyat, they had their own football team, which was used to be called Строитель. It's in Russian. In translation it into English, it means builder.
People were playing. I mean, can you imagine that on that very day? So there might be some people playing football, some people jogging here. People were maybe sitting around and having good time. They had no idea what is happening in the reactor. And after 2 days of the happening there at the reactor, they were told, okay, so let's go for 3 days and then we'll come back. So many of them, they thought, okay, so they are going for holidays, maybe, and then they will come back. And of course, never. And God knows how long it stays like this. Now here the people used to sit and watch the game, the football game of the football team of Pripyat. And here was a running track where the people used to run for 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, hurdle, whatever, all the games, athletics. And now you can see what is there. I just want to see how will it look like to sit one of those benches here and look around the view and chant at your best player, the best team. Look at that. To go up on the building, so now we plan to go up on this building up there on the 16th floor. Look at that, guys. Check this out. It's all contaminated, radiated. Look at this. So it was used to be a house, I guess. A flat. I used to live, so it may be a toilet. This here. Wow. It would have been a kitchen, and the people left the kitchen like this. Look, the stove, a radiator, stool is here. Look at this. The cupboard. Maybe a bedroom. Wow. Check this out. You can go up there. Wow. Check this out. Wow. I want to show you something. Look at this. These are post boxes. So they used to get the post here. 92, 103, 105, 115. So they come here maybe after work. They just come here, get the post. So we are now here. Are we? I think on the floor number 9, I guess.
Yes.
I can see it there. This is floor number 9. Look at this here. This is the couch or sofa, the bed, the lift. Wow. I don't know if you can see this all the way to corridor. And then here. So let's go. On the floor number 10. Wow. And you already see the rooftops. Back there, you see sarcophagus. Wow. Look at it, guys. Amazing. The Soviet sink is here. Okay, now on the very top of the floor number 16. I think they were the flat number 117 to 124. There were only 7 flats here. I guess they were the biggest ones. Let's see on the top if there is something. Oh, look here, guys. Wow, that's interesting. But it's still going up. There is this ladder. Wow. Look at the control room. The machinery is left. Some bottle of beer. So apparently someone else also has been here. And from there you can see the whole of Pripyat. And that is once was the whole town of Pripyat, made especially for the workers at the Chernobyl power plant.
Let's go this way. I'm sure the view is awesome.
And wow, look at this. So there you can see the whole of the power plant. Of course, the number 4 reactor is covered in the sarcophagus. But behind the sarcophagus you can see this, the cooling tower number 5, which is not completed, the plant number 3, 2 and 1, and the plant number 3 on the right side of the sarcophagus was the last one to close. It was closed after 14 years. After 14 years of this accident happened at the plant number 4, threat number 4, it was closed. So 14 years people have been working here. 14 years. And now this whole town is empty. Right there, if you see that, right there is a Duga number 3 or 2, is it right? Right there is a Duga 1 or 2. The view of Pripyat from the top of a building. We are now on the highest building, on the tallest building in the town of Pripyat. Now if you see this here, that here, the level of radiation is not so much. Even if you're inside the building and close to reactor, there's not so much of radiation here. Look at this here. I'm going up on a track there. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh. It's really a jail. See this?